So you're probably wondering why I've got the DJI Flip here when we're talking about the Lito X1 and ND filters. Well, if you didn't know, guys, the camera head is exactly the same as on this one. So that tells you one good thing, that obviously they're not going to be doing another upgrade on the DJI Flip, but this is a huge upgrade to that. And I'm right in thinking this is still cheaper than that. So if you own the Flip, then you've made a bit of a saving if you already got ND filters, because those filters, and I got these from Freewell that were sent to me a while back, they will fit onto that head. They won't fit onto the Lito 1 head, but they will fit onto the Lito X1. That makes sense. Right, so the filters that Freewell sent me for the Flip, now please check out the video that I made on the Flip, and that shows you how to put on the ND filters. Now I will say that you will make sure that you have your cloth, because when you push these on, they just clip in there, and they're pretty good. Getting them on and off can be a bit of a problem, and I'm going to explain that in a moment. But yeah, if you own the Flip and you got the filters, they're going to fit on that. And when I went onto the Freewell site, I checked on their site and it said Flip and obviously the Lito X1. So I would imagine they haven't brought out a new box. So when you order the ND filters for the Lito X1, you're going to get this type of box. Now the ones that they sent me, I mean, we're going back well over a year. This is the filters from the standard day pack. I don't know if you can see what they are, because if you can, you've got amazing eyesight. I can't even see what they are really, but I have to use my phone and enlarge it to see what filters is which, because this is the image I got on their site. Now I would imagine it's because I got these first before the actual Flip come out, and I probably got, you know, the first edition, and I would imagine all the other ones have been right, because I haven't seen nobody complaining about that you can hardly even see what the filters are. But I did the video. I think I had quite a few people look at the video and they were really surprised of it, you know, what the quality wasn't all about, innit? But yeah, but if you're thinking about buying, you haven't got the Flip and you're thinking about buying the ND filters, what you will find, be it Freewell or any other company, it will say it's for the Flip as well. So I'm going to show you in the next part of this video where I actually go out and I fly over the land. I put on a 16 ND filter, and as I always say with ND filters, to me it's still an experiment. I think I should have really used a 32, but you see that there is a slight difference in it. Now I was going to go out another day to fly over the sea and use these filters with the paralyzer, but I'll be honest, trying to get the ND onto that, because what you got to do, guys, you got to really hold that camera head and put it on. And I would say I had to force it on, and I don't like that. And getting it off was just as bad. So I'm not even going to show you that clip, because I just want to make that aware to you. And like I said, you're going to need this, because you're going to get your fingers on that lens somehow. So anybody else that's got the filters for the Lito X1, it'd be great to hear your experience of trying to put these on. I mean, I have used them before on the Flip, and to be quite honest, I had no problem. But to be quite honest, I don't really care about this drone so much as this one. Anyway, watch the clip I've done, and yeah, enjoy. There won't be an ending to this video. I'll just show you the difference with and without. So I'm out on the location. I'm going to try out the standard day pack from Freewell and looking at it, because I'm pretty early this morning, so I'm still coming up. I'm going to use a 16. I'm going to be, well, I'll talk you through it as it is, but I thought the first thing we need to do, guys, is actually put the filter on the drone before I set it up. So there's a little case it's in. I've got the 16, and virtually just grab hold of the drone and push it in, and that was it. Hopefully you heard that click. So the filter's in now. I'm going to put this stuff away. I'm just going to have a quick look at the filter, because it does look a little bit dusty. Don't forget your cloth. And yeah, that's all right. Okay.